about you say me have a girlfriend? Me not have a girlfriend.
Fuck say man, you make me sit on your weight man. Hey, are you mad after you boy? You get me and talk to you, focus on me.
So me not focus, baby. I want to you. I'm not for focus on you. Look how you're sexy.
What are you two doing in the hallway? What are the shenanigans? Mr. Thorne, Miss Anderson.
Miss, we weren't doing anything. We was just talking.
What kind of disgusting why only not in class? This behavior is very unacceptable. What am I thinking? You know what? Maybe I should take the Tuana down to the dean and make him call on the parents. Miss Anderson, haven't your father been called enough? What, do you want to get suspended or worse expelled?
On you, Mr. Thorne, I can't count how many times I have seen you with this type of behavior in the hallways.
Yo, miss, if you don't call my father, call him the man, you know, if you miss up the game right, so you know, man, I'm to you, you tell her all of that for.
Well, the two of them head to class because I can't take none of this anymore. Ball to a class.
Miss McKay's the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Funny, me can't see you no more, where you been?
I've been busy, Star. So every local movement make me have to tell you. Don't you think that's kind of stalkerish?
Well, me hear say you've been hanging out with that boy where me see with your cousin a kiss up.
Oh, so you see and hear that?
I don't know what's going on with you and Sydney, but I hear say Sydney they with that nasty, disgusting Tony. I know me I hear say you a talk up to a man with your cousin I talk to. Like what? They wanna like embarrass me or something? Why think me not been hanging out with Uno? And it's so funny, cause I was talking to my father the other day, and he told me that he was gonna help you to find a work after if you graduate from high school, but if I say yeah, go on and I say yes, luck. We can't have you working in my father's office.
Star, nothing not going between me and that youth, alright? Me and your friend, you must believe everything when me I say to you. Why would I want to talk to him?
So why have you been so defensive anytime I bring it up? And why can't I see you are Sydney? Well, me don't know what she do, but what about you?
I've just been busy with schoolwork and everything. You know me can't slack off. And you know me take things serious when it comes to school, Star.
Well, like we're not doing that foolishness on here people are talking about. I haven't seen it tonight, but my granny's home and I need an alibi that whether a year old or anywhere else. But I also wanted to come with me because my boyfriend want me and you to, you know, keep him friend company. The same friend where you did ditch at a party. You know he's a really nice youth and him have money. I try help you in Ashana. So just come also we'll get ready and then we'll sneak out after. You know you owe me this favor, Shana. And it's also gonna be beneficial to you.
Is this the Airbnb you renting? Yo, it's a really big house, but why do you need all this space just for you? Do you have guests? This on a Airbnb. This on my house I'ma buy. Forward. Wait, you bought a house? What? Why didn't you tell me you bought a house? This place is... It's amazing. Whoa. So wait, so you're gonna live in Jamaica now? You're gonna move here? But I thought you wanted to stay in Canada. Why are you moving here?
I have my reasons. Don't worry about that, man. Look here, why help me out with some things, you know? I ain't any fool of reasoning.
Oh wait, does Dad know about this? Did you tell him?
No, that's what I tell you, so I don't want nobody to know. Don't tell nobody about this, alright? Oliver.
Junior, you know I'm not gonna tell anyone. But man, this place is great. It's really nice.
So what going on with you? You look like you want to stay in Jamaica permanently.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's been really great. I mean, I've made a lot of friends. I have Susie now. It's awesome. But I don't know how Mom's gonna take it that I don't want to go back.
Well, it's up to you if you want to stay or not. Just tell Daddy.
It's not really Dad I'm worried about. It's Mom. I mean, I think she's gonna feel away if I don't go back. I don't want her to be mad. But I'd rather stay here. I feel happy here. I don't know what to do.
Stay where you find your happiness, man. You know, I'm not blame you too. That's why I think I buy the house, yeah. Because I want to spend time here. But, I want you to keep an eye on the house here for me, alright? This place is perfect.
You want me to watch this big house by myself? I mean, really? You're giving me that responsibility? I mean, I don't have any issues to do it, but still. It's a really big house, Junior.
Why you think me I give you the responsibility to come and trust you? And you and me. I'm not gonna lie, you're my favorite brother. I love you. Plus, Antonisha not like me and I can't leave Jade with this responsibility. Just know it'll be good.
Alright, I won't let you down. I promise. And I won't tell anyone. But
alright, you come on, tell me what's going on with you and the girl then.
well, I was thinking about taking things more serious with Susie.
Yeah, that good, man, that good. Alright, just a few more touches and we're done.
Why I work hard on a thing, yeah, man. So it's soon finished. But I honestly don't believe that this thing is going to work. I've never seen a robot in my life. But watcha? Whoa, Damien, this bad, man. I think it's flying away.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Shit.
God, for the sake, catch it. No, sir. This is really incredible, though, you know? I first time I see something like this in a real life.
But I see you underestimate me too much, you know, Susie.
He may have apologize.
Alright, man. But, I don't wonder something. I don't wonder if you don't like for work on it. I mean, if you don't mind for help me, you know?
Of course, I don't mind. It's actually really interesting to me.
Alright, good. Me and you work together. That's really good. Really good. Thanks, Susie. I appreciate it.
I don't see why your face off looks or why you're moving so nervous for. This youth actually like you. Like him tell me same like you. I'm not even a pre about the last time when you ditch him at the party. Gone by your business. Me wait upon him for text back. It might take a while though. God, me can't wait till my granny go back on the Virgin Islands. She get on mine or keep watching everything we do. And I beg you, just keep up on me like you did last time, Shauna. Trust me, you're not going to like it. Don't make me have things, alright? Hold on. Hello? Hey, baby. Yeah, boy. Okay, park down the street, alright? We'll soon come.
I feel it's one bad idea.
I got it. Oh, shit. You won't mind just strain yourself. Just you put the weights too high, man. Put it down low, man. You can't manage that. I wanna get buff like you, bro. Oh, that could take a while though, yo. But you can keep continue practice. Just do this every day and you'll reach your goal, man. And you'll get more muscular. And don't say buff what we call front. Alright? God. If you go take alcohol, you know. So forward. Don't strain yourself. I can manage. Oh, shit. Okay, I got this. Oh, go on. Just you want to make it know, say, Oliver go stay with me for a little while. Well, for the weekend.
So you come all this way just to say that? You could have just text it to me or make him tell me you never for come here.
Well, today I'm gonna come for him close, alright? Later. Sorry for interrupt your day.
Junior, wait. I apologize, alright?
That cool, man, Diana. So, how you been? How's everything with you and your fiance or whatever?
I'm alright. Just there do, typical house chores and stuff.
I know why you make Oliver help you to them something here. I'm gonna make sure to talk to him for help him more around the house. And you must tell me say more stay down here, so I guess you're doing a good job.
Well, yeah, I guess so. But I have to get back to what I was doing, alright?
Alright, cool. Finish my exercise. Later there now. Hey Shauna, when I'm at the tour, we go in the room and talk a little bit.
Alright, fine. Whatever. Soon come.
I don't really like you. You're a really pretty girl.
Jesus Christ, cut the bullshit, no, man. What you want me to do exactly? I mean, there's a reason why you bring me in here, right? What you want me to do? Don't even think about it.
Alright, what if you met me? Eat the buff.
Alright, no problem. God, thank God that's over. Get the hell out of here. Right on time. I guess I'm always right. We're go pack your clothes up. Junior, what are you doing? You don't have to fix that. I was gonna bring it back. I mean, it is a new TV, but it's not. You don't have to do that, you know?
I'm too money cool, man. Now you know me. I'm a man that's really good with his hands. Come here, get by your nerves. Me wait outside.
Wait there. You don't have to leave, alright? You can stay in if you want. I mean, I cook extra food if you want to eat some.
Really? I'm surprised you're being so nice to me. We'll get now your aid.
Junior, please don't make me change my mind. Just come.
Alright, like how you insist. Food smell good though. You always was a good cook. I should practice this a little bit more. I mean, I would look good if I got more muscular. I mean, maybe Susie will like me more. Well, she already does like me, but you know, if she likes me more, that's even better. This was for the best. Shauna, what are you doing here? And why are you crying?
One time when me and you at the beach, and the cat, and the
Me, I talk about the time when the crab pinched me upon my foot. Do you know how painful that was? I feel like I wanted to die. But you catch him.
and curry him up for you too. You know, I miss them days there. When me and you did, you know, close.
Yeah, we did always close. See, from where baby. That's really, like, I think about them times too.
I'll call Oliver, see if I'm ready. It's been a while. It was good to sit down here and talk. You know, talk to you like we usually talk. No fighting or nothing.
Because I want things to be alright between me and you, Junior. I don't want me and you to live bad anymore. Alright?
Never the pre things too. Oh, me for mother, you big it.
Thanks for making me stay the night. I appreciate it. And I wanted to talk to you about something.
Yeah, about what? Are you trying to mess me up because I'm winning, Susie? You're still not gonna beat me. But what do you want to talk about? What is it?
You still talk to my cousin? I mean, talk. Like talk. I just wanted to make you know.
You and me and Shauna talk from time. What is it?
Well, why do you need to talk to her? Like, why are you talking to her?
Because me and her were friends, that's why.
Oliver, I'm not stupid. I don't want you talking to her anymore.
Why can't I talk to her? Me and her, we're just friends. You want me to stop talking to her because you say so? You're trying to control? How are you gonna control who I talk to?
Fine, well, me and you can't date if you're gonna continue to talk to her.
Alright, fine, I'll stop talking to her if that makes you happy.
Good. Make her use the bathroom.
Are you still mad at me? I guess so. I won't talk to her, I promise.
Oliver, what are you still doing here? Why you didn't go out with Junior?
Oh, he left out early. He said he has some stuff to do on the road, so he'll come pick me up later.
So him never say anything to you or tell you for say anything to me? Him just get up and leave like that?
Well, he did say he'll be back to come for me. I mean, that's all he said. What, do you want me to call him or something? You seem kinda worried.
I'm not worried, I just see what I know. Hi Susie. I'm gonna head up on the road now. To wanna make sure keep the house clean, alright? And no foolishness. You're not worried about anything, Diana. We just have to play a game.
I told you I'll beat you. Can't play like me. I'm not gonna go easy on you either.
Just wait, man. Soon beat you. You know, last night wasn't that bad. It was actually kind of fun.
Same, I tell you. If you continue, it will do anything we want and buy anything we want. I mean, they sense it out and all them schoolboy that them can't do nothing for you.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Makes sense. Do like stuff. Sorry me to leave out early before they call. They want me to come. Your granny never did suspect anything, right?
No, plus me the girl got extra melatonin before she got her bed. She did knock out. Plus, how did I look over vodka at night too, in our orange juice.
Well, hopefully she'll leave. Hello? Hi. Alright, Daddy. Yeah, this will come. Okay? Alright. Bye.
Me I tell you, man, yo, we have a love for live here to kill them. You know? I'm sure this is our new tenant. This is a really nice house. You know? Cozy. Family. Oriented. I like it, man. So, do you want first and last month's rent up front? I can give you that.